Hello everyone. Today I'll show you the process of electrolysis, how it takes place. So see my connection. That's why the bulb glows up. So the positively charged ions are called cations because they are attracted to cathode, and the negatively charged ones are called anions because they are attracted to anode. As we know that unlike charge attract each other and like charge repel each other. So that's why they attracted. So here you can see the bulb lit up, and this is because of the process of electrolysis which take place. Now I'll show you a picture of after electrolysis process. So just see it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.